You guys should really check out these people and these stories. They're just absurd, sad, and absurd. This lady, Cynthia, she was helping an autism girl. She was holding her hand above the keyboard, and she typed out that her father was sexually abusing her, and the dad was put in jail. Well, luckily he was found innocent after being put in jail. And this Kelly Sopark, she got away with murder because they used the defense DNA transfer, saying that Kelly touched the object, and then the lady that was murdered touched the same object, and that's how the DNA got all over the crime scene. Which is absurd. And then they talk about how everyone reacts differently to death, and how they must have had something to do with the murder because of the way they act. Well, this man, I know it wasn't a murder, but I'm just talking about how people react differently to death. Stu, his daughter died in a tsunami, and he said he wanted to remember something happy from the trip, so he married his girlfriend 2 weeks after his daughter passed away. The same place where the tsunami hit. And this man, Cameron, I actually thought he was guilty, but then they found evidence later that he was innocent, and this was even before he was executed, that they had evidence proving that he was innocent, but he was still executed, sadly. And in Georgia, this little boy was sleeping in his crib, and police threw a flash grenade into his crib, and his face and his whole body was injured because police didn't investigate well enough that there was children living at this place. Apparently some meth was sold there months beforehand, and but thankfully he lived.